Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: a 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and the Ewelink app on your phone. Open the app and sign in or register. This links devices to your account. Once done, power the smart device so its LED blinks. That indicates pairing mode. If it does not blink, press and hold the device button for 5-10 seconds to enter setup. You must be on the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are enabled while pairing. Now add the device in the Ewelink app. Tap Add Device and choose the matching method: Quick Pair, Smart Config, or QR pairing, depending on your device. Enter the 4 GHz Wi-Fi password exactly. Small typos break the link. Watch the app's progress indicator and wait for confirmation that the device is online. Once connected, rename the device and assign it to a room or group for organization. Make sure to create any initial scenes or timers so automations run without extra setup later. Finish by testing basic control. Turn the device on and off and check response times in the app. This confirms stable communication. Enable cloud or remote access to control devices away from home and share access with household accounts so others can use them. If something goes wrong, for example pairing fails, first confirm your router is broadcasting to 4 GHz and not hiding SSID. Then perform a factory reset on the device. Restart your phone and router and retry smart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.